Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an Alice in Wonderland Mad Hatter kind of look. I'm going to paint my face white using this FX Makeup face paint, and I'm going to mix it with this Inglot and try it one more time. That way we can see if it works. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, and then I am going to use this little sponge and kind of mix it together and put it on my face. Okay, I've put concealer and primer on to hope that it covers up the redness and it just makes it a little more flawless. Now I'm going to take some of this and add it, mix it up, and put it on our face. Okay, so we have that done. I am going to put some powder on and hope that it stays. I feel like it's sinking into my skin. Okay, I'm going to use this Ulta eyeshadow. It's white to kind of set this. I'm topping it with this Tarte powder, which is also white. And I'm going to be using this Morphe palette for the blues and some of the purples, but I also want to use some of the purples out of this Pat McGrath palette. So I'm going to do my left eye purple and my right eye blue. And I'm going to use this It Cosmetics C5336 brush. It's a fluffy brush. I'm going to take the light purple first, this color right here. I'm going to put it above and below my eye. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush for the blue, and this is the shadow brush. It's the KEPDOW, and I'm going to take this light blue right here. And do the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush, and it's the same brush that I just used on for the purple, and I'm going to take this darker purple and put it in my crease. I'm going to take the blue out of this Laura Lee palette, the Party Animal, and I'm going to put this on my crease on this side. And then I'm going to take some of the Fenty. I'm going to take this blue right here and this purple right above it and put those on my lids as well. And then I am going to do this eye to match that eye. Because the Mad Hatter has some crazy bushy eyes, I'm going to take this Anastasia tinted brow gel and kind of make them go up, and then add a little more oomph with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Because I want my eyes to look a little bigger, I broke some of the shadow, and I'm going to put this Ignite in it to make it kind of a cream. And I'm going to draw on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to put on lashes and I will be right back. And here's the finished look. So here's a simple way to make an Alice in Wonderland Mad Hatter outfits. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Happy Halloween. Bye.